Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to install and set up PyCharm Community Edition on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. Let's get started by downloading PyCharm. I'm going to download PyCharm Community Edition. It is free and built on open source. After a successful download, follow the installation guide. At first, unpack the PyCharm tarball file into a different folder or your current download folder using this command. It may take a while for extracting the archive file. The recommended installation location according to the file system hierarchy standard is OPT directory. So move the PyCharm directory to OPT using this command. You can rename this directory to PyCharm Community. Okay, now enter password. Now navigate to the bin subdirectory of PyCharm inside OPT directory by cd. Open new terminal and type this command opt PyCharm Community bin. Okay, and then run this command to run pycharm.sh from bin subdirectory. Okay, now accept the user agreement and then click on continue. If you want to share the anonymous statistics data, click on send anonymous statistics, otherwise click on don't send. Okay, click on this gear icon and create desktop entry. You can create the desktop entry for all users by checking this option and then click on OK. Now enter the root password for your user account. Now open application launcher and search here PyCharm. If you get this icon here, that means PyCharm community installed successfully on your system. Now press Ctrl plus C on terminal and reopen PyCharm. Okay, now I am going to set up PyCharm with Python. Open new terminal and ensure that you already have installed Python on your system. Python 3 hyphen hyphen version. Okay, now click on customize and then open all settings, and from here search for Python interpreter. Okay, now I am going to set the Python interpreter from Python virtual environment. I am going to install a Python module using this command sudo apt install python 3 hyphen venv. Enter password. Okay, Now create a virtual environment anywhere in your computer using this command python 3 hyphen m venv, and then enter the virtual environment project name. Here I'm going to name it my env. Okay, now click on add interpreter. Now select the existing environment and then click on this triple dot icon and browse the location where Python interpreter. Now find the myenv Python virtual environment and then navigate to bin subdirectory and then select the Python version from here. Okay, now click on OK. Now click on apply and OK. Now I am going to create a new Python project. Enter the project name here, my Python. Now select the virtual environment. I'm going to select the previously configured interpreter. Okay. You can select this option to create a Python script that provides an entry point to coding in PyCharm. You can leave this and then click on create. Okay. Here you will see a simple script that will print a message. I'm going to run this Python script. Just click on this run button and you will see the output. You can run this script another way. Right click on the file and then click on run. Also you can run from this run button. Okay, this button will rerun the Python script. That's it. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.